To get started with paging, simply log in, select your office, then select the license for your PC. Next, click on the individual's name you wish to page. Then click on the room they're to be paged to. The number you see next to the name is a timer showing just how long the page has been active. To cancel the page, simply click on the room with the active page and it will clear. To page multiple people to one room, simply click on one person's name, then click the room for paging, then click on the second person's name and proceed to click on that same room. InSync will then alternate and flash between the names showing both active pages. To cancel the multiple pages, simply click on the names in the room to remove the page.